Okay, we're making progress, alhamdulillah. Now, I was speaking to a group of Christian friends at one point about Isa alayhi salam and the virgin birth of Jesus. In the Qur'an in Surah Yusuf, Allah talks about Musa alayhi salam, and right after that he talks about Isa alayhi salam. Musa and then Isa. Which nation was Musa alayhi salam sent to? Very good, Bani Israel. I like that law. I need to hear it from everybody else. Which nation was Musa alayhi salam sent to? Ah, that's better. That's better. Okay, good. Now then it talks about Isa. And who was Isa alayhi salam sent to? Same nation, Bani Israel. Now Allah says when He's describing Musa alayhi salam speaking to Bani Israel, وَإِذْ قَالَ مُوسَى لِقَوْمِهِ, when Musa alayhi salam said to his people, he said to his nation. When Isa alayhi salam speaks, he's also speaking to Bani Israel. But we don't find in the Qur'an, وَإِذْ قَالَ عِيسَى ابْنُ مَرْيَمْ يَا قَوْمِ or لِقَوْمِهِ يَا قَوْمِ. No. We find إِذْ قَالَ عِيسَى ابْنُ مَرْيَمْ يَا بَنِي إِسْرَائِيل. Sons of Israel, children of Israel. He addresses them by the name children of Israel. Musa alayhi salam did not say Ya Bani Israel. Musa alayhi salam said Ya qawmi lima tu'dhunani, my people, my nation. I was sitting with a rabbi. We hang out together at a kosher restaurant every once in a while in Texas. It's actually a pretty fun joke. A Muslim and a rabbi get together at a kosher restaurant in Texas. It doesn't make any sense, but it happens. But anyway, we sit together and we chat sometimes. We talk about, our differences. And so one of their beliefs is that the ethnicity comes from the mother. So to be Jewish, to properly Jewish, to be from the children of Israel, your mother has to be Jewish. That's their belief. And I said, that's interesting because I disagree. I think your ethnicity comes from the father, like we believe. And he said, no, it comes from the mother. I was like, why do you call yourselves children of Israel? When you call yourselves children of your father, your ethnic name is from your father, so it really clearly comes from the father. The point we make is, to be from a nation, your father must be from that nation. So Musa alayhi salam is from Bani Israel because his father is from Bani Israel. So if he is going to call them his nation, it would mean that he is ethnically from them. So when he says, Ya qawmi, then he is saying, my father is from you, I am from within you, I am ethnically, my race is your race. But when Isa alayhi salam speaks in the Qur'an, he never once says, Ya qawmi. Allah never says, Qala li qawmihi. He never calls them his nation because he, alayhi salam, does not have a father. Not once. The Qur'an protects the virgin birth of Isa alayhi salam even better than the biblical account. Just by saying, Ya Bani Israel. Just by saying, Ya Bani Israel. Subhanallah. Now, let's move along.